everyone. I am Rose Agarwal. I am at intern at Sparks Foundation Network at the Data Science and Business Analytics task. And I have made a project on percentage prediction using supervised machine learning, where I have predicted the percentage of a student when a number of study hours is given. Now I am showing you my collab file where I have done the project. This is my collab file. At first, I have imported all the libraries that are needed to done the project. This is my data set. After that, I have framed my data in a tabular form. In this cell, I have run a command df.head which shows the first 5 entries records of my data. In the second cell, I have run the tail command, tail function, which shows the last five cells of my records of my data. In the next cell, I have used the info function which shows us the number of columns, name of the columns, not null and not null count, data type of the columns, in all, which gives the complete information about the data set. In the next cell, I have used the visualizing part, visualizing our data on scatter plot. So here I use scatter plot to visualize my data. In the x-axis I have taken hours, in the y-axis I have taken scores. So I have made a graph using scatter plot by in which I have performed x hours versus scores. In this cell I have performed the df.correlation function. In this cell I have performed the df.correlation function. I have to run all the cells in order to avoid the error. So I am running all the cells again in order to avoid the error. So in this cell I have performed the df.correlation function, and in the succeeding cell I have used the heat map between the hours and the scores. In the next cell I have used a linear regression model to train my data set. In the next cell I have fitted my data in the model, and I have changed by using the reshape function. I have changed the dimension of the hours column. In the next cell I have shown the new data frame which consists of the number of hours, the actual hour and the predicted hours. So this is a scatter plot between our actual score and predicted score. And in the last cell we have shown that if the hours of the study hours of the student is 9.25, our model is predicting the percentage will be 92.905. This is how our linear regression model works. When we give this model some hours, it will give us the percentage. It will predict the percentage of a student, that what percentage he or she will get after studying for such hours. This is my project. Thank you.